In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the project location in Autodesk Revit. Getting the project location right is essential because it drives sun studies, shadow accuracy, daylighting, and even climate and time zone information used by analysis tools. A precise location helps your views look correct throughout the day and ensures energy and lighting simulations reflect real-world conditions. Start by opening the Manage tab. This is your hub for project-wide settings, so it's the right place to define information that affects the entire model. Once you're there, click Project Location, then choose Location. This opens the Geographic Location dialog where all the location settings are controlled. You'll see two ways to define where your project lives. The first is the default city list. Use this if you want to pick a city from a curated list, or if you already know the exact latitude and longitude. It's great for quick setup, or when you need a specific coordinate pair. The second option is Internet Map. This launches an interactive map so you can zoom, pan, and drop a pin exactly where the building sits. It's ideal for projects that need site-level precision. Just make sure you have an internet connection, and if the map doesn't load, check that online services are enabled. Next, enter the address or coordinates. If you're using the city list, you can type an address or paste latitude and longitude. If you're on the map, search for the address, then fine-tune the pin to the correct parcel or lot line if needed. As soon as you confirm, Revit updates the project's geographic data, including latitude, longitude, and time zone. A quick tip: verify the time zone and coordinates match your site survey or client documentation. Even small differences can shift sun angles in views and renderings. When you're satisfied, confirm and close the dialog. From this point on, your project uses the new location for sun and climate data. You'll see the impact in solar studies, shadow diagrams, and visualizations tied to specific dates and times. If you plan to run analysis, this step ensures results align with real conditions. Consider saving this setup in your template so future projects start with accurate defaults. That's it. By setting the project location through the Manage tab, selecting either the default city list or the internet map, entering the correct address or coordinates, and confirming